Well, it's complete dry. And then I have to put the final right now. And then for Monday, it's complete dry. So I'm finished today. And this is done. It's complete flat. It looks shiny for the lights, but it's not too much shine. Yep.